Creative strategy development. Advertising campaign is a set of interrelated and coordinated marketing communication activities that center on a single theme or idea that appears in different media across a specified time period. Campaign theme. It is a set of interrelated and coordinated marketing communication activities that center on a single theme or idea that appears in different media across a specified time period. Slogan or tagline. The advertising slogan should serve as a summation line that succinctly expresses the company or brand's positioning, as well as the message it is trying to deliver to the target audience. Creative brief. People from the agency team or group assigned to the account, including creative personnel as well as representative from media and research, have input. The advertising manager and or the marketing and brand managers from the client side ultimately approve the creative brief. Major selling idea. A major selling idea should emerge as the strongest singular thing you can say about your product or service. This should be the claim with the broadest and most meaningful appeal to your target audience. Once you determine the message, be certain you will live with it. Be sure it stands strong enough to remain the central issue in every ad and the commercial in the campaign. USP. The concept of unique selling proposition was developed by Ross Weir's former chair of the Ted Brandt's agency and is described in his influential reality in advertising. Image advertising. Image advertising, which is designed to give a company, a brand, a unique association or personality, is often transformational in nature. It is designed to create a certain feeling or mood that is activated when a consumer uses a particular product or service. Inherent drama. Inherent drama is often hard to find, in but it is always there, and once found it is the most interesting and believable for all advertising appeals. Determinants of creativity. Advertising creativity is the ability to generate fresh, unique, and appropriate or relevant ideas that can be used as solutions to communicate problems. Those who study as well as work in advertising generally agree on these two central determinants of creativity, which are often viewed in terms of divergence and relevance. Divergence refers to the extent to which an ad contains elements that are novel, different, and unusual. Five major factors that could account for ways divergence can be achieved in advertising: originality, flexibility, elaboration, synthesis, and artistic value. Professor Young has given a process of creativity. It starts with immersion, gathering raw information, digestion, taking the information, working it over, incubation, putting the problems out of your conscious mind and turning the information over the subconscious to do the work. Illumination, the birth of an idea, the eureka, I have found it phenomenon. And five, reality or verification, that is studying the idea to see if it still looks good or solves the problem, then shaping the idea to practical usefulness. Creative process by English socialist Graham Walls in the classic book, The Art of Thought. He says that first step is preparation, that is gathering background information. Second is incubation, getting away and letting idea develop. Third, illumination, seeing the light or solution. And fourth is verification, that is redefining and polishing the idea and seeing if it is an appropriate solution. What does creative brief include? The creative brief has basic problem or issue the advertising must address, advertising and communication objectives, target audience, major selling idea or key benefits to communicate, Creative strategy statement, that is campaign theme, appeal, and executions technique to be used. Supporting information and requirements, and the schedule, that what is needed and when. So this is a model of how marketing information flows from the gatekeeper to the creative staff. Three characteristics of unique selling proposition. First, each advertisement must have a proposition to the consumer. The proposition must be one of the competition either cannot or does not offer. The proposition must be strong enough to move the mass millions, that is, pull over new customers to your brand. So, with this, the creative strategy development part gets over under integrated marketing communication session.